Welcome back to Andrea Cleaning and Life Hacks. I have a really cool trick for you today when it comes to plastic wrap and your cell phone when you are cooking. Actually, I have two tricks for you here today. If you need to create a quick cell phone holder, here is what you're gonna do. Take your two binder clips. You're gonna go ahead and open up one of your binder clips, turn it the opposite way as if you were going to clamp down some paper. You're gonna take this binder clip and then you're gonna open the top right here. Let's see if I can get it. And then you wanna slide the back piece of this metal in. You wanna latch it on in there. You see how I did that? There we go. And then what you can do is go ahead and rest your cell phone on there. I'm gonna take this cell phone right here and gently place it on there. You need to have it the horizontal direction. Look at that, dun, dun, dun. Now let's talk about the plastic wrap here really quickly because this is gonna come in handy. If you are cooking, let's say you got powdered sugar, you got flour, you got all kinds of gunk stuff on your fingers, get your plastic wrap off. This is gonna save your phone because, by the way, these babies are pricey. Yes, they are. Open up your plastic wrap like so, lay it down. I like to make it nice and flat, and then we're gonna go ahead and cut this. By the way, I'm not in love with this little cutter thing right here. It works half the time, and then the other half of the time, it doesn't work. I like the plain old tear apart stuff. Let me know if you can relate to that in that comments box below. Now go ahead and lay your cell phone in your plastic wrap. The most important part is it's flat on the front. Wrap it in there, wrap it like so. I didn't necessarily need that much. Now, watch this, my friend. Can you see my cell phone? Let me just turn this way. I can still use my cell phone without having to get all the crap on my stuff. So I could take a video, I could do basically anything I wanted to. Let's go ahead and watch some more Andrea Jean cleaning hacks, or we could certainly go to Andrea Jean Fitness because I love cleaning and all things fitness related. Elite Fit with Andrea Jean, and there we go. Maybe you need your phone for a crafting project, maybe you are camping, maybe you're doing all the things in life. Perfect, yes? Or just maybe you do not want to go out and spend the money on a phone case. No judgment here. Whatever suits your fancy. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Keep your phone fresh and clear. Give this video a thumbs up. Click the video on screen now for some additional cleaning and life hacks, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.